Scalar Energy for nail fungal infections. Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how scalar energy can help with nail fungal infections. Nail fungal infections are caused by various fungal organisms, one of the most common types called dermatophyte. Some yeasts and molds can also cause nail infections. Nail fungus is a common condition that starts with a white or yellow spot under the tip of your fingernail or toenail. As the fungal infection goes deeper, nail fungus can cause your nail to discolor, thicken, and crumble at the edge. Nail fungal infections can develop in people at any age, but it's more common in the old. As the nail ages, it becomes brittle and dry, making it easier to allow fungi to enter. How scalar energy can help with nail fungal infections. A weakened immune system plays an important role in nail fungal infection. The fungus is often present on the body, but if it overgrows, the weakened immune system fails to protect us against overgrowth fungi invasion. Scalar energy can boost our immune system to kill fungus, yeasts, and molds that may cause nail infections. Older adults have a high risk of getting fungal nail infections because they have poorer circulation. The nails also grow more slowly and thicken as they age. Scalar energy can improve blood circulation to the feet, which delivers vital nutrients to the cells and promotes the growth of the nails. Some people who have a nail or skin injury or diabetes may be more likely to get a fungal nail infection. Scalar energy can reduce the likelihood of nail fungal infections by repairing the damaged cells, which can also accelerate skin or nail injury healing. Why choose Spooky Skele for nail fungal infections? Spooky Skele is the first scalar treatment device to provide 3 different methods of transmitting healing scalar waves: pure scalar, molecular scalar, and rife scalar. It has both a sender and receiver. The sender is tuned to the receiver, so they are perfectly linked. There is only a single wire between the two. A scalar field is only produced when the 2 units are tuned. They become charge-coupled, effectively become one entity, one transmitting regular electrical signals, and the other returning the signals in the form of a scalar field. The leads become a transmitting antenna of scalar energy with a scalar field between them. For nail fungal infections, pure scalar is the easiest way of applying healing scalar energy because nothing special needs to be done. Tune Spooky Skele and then sit between the transmitter and receiver. The pure scalar energy then flows to your body. You can also place the 2 boxes beside your bed and do overnight treatment for you. 7 years of toenail fungus was gone by using Spooky Skele. This Spooky Skele story is shared by Paula Canal. She has used Spooky Skele for a year and tried to improve her 33 years of fibromyalgia. Spooky Skele helped her to raise life quality greatly. Recently, she discovered an unexpected improvement she hadn't paid attention to before. The toenail fungus she had tried fighting for about 7 years was gone, and everything she had done is Spooky Skele. Now, take your Spooky Skele and do some treatments for nail fungal infections. Welcome to comment below and share with us. Thanks for watching this video.